Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snowshoes that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Wildhorn Outfitters Snowshoes. The Wildhorn Outfitters Delano Snowshoes are designed to offer unbeatable comfort and superior performance on all terrain. Made with a premium 7075 aluminum frame, these snowshoes are extremely durable and can support up to 235 pounds. They also come equipped with a cold-resistant PP, polypropylene, front deck that prevents snow from sticking to the bottom, while the incline heel riser helps you conquer uphill ascents. Even better, the large toe box allows for easy movement through deep powder, and the textured grip pad and steel crampons provide excellent traction on hard-packed surfaces. And, thanks to their quick cinch binding system, you can easily adjust the fit even when wearing gloves. Because of their sleek design, quick adjustability, and durable construction, these snowshoes stand at the top of our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the FLASHTEK Snowshoes. Get ready to conquer the snow with the FLASHTEK Snowshoes. Featuring an ergonomic and streamlined design, these snowshoes stand out from the others with an upturned rounded tail that maximizes flotation and fast movement in heavy snow, meaning you won't get bogged down as you travel. Constructed with a lightweight 6000 series aluminum frame, they are built to last and withstand even the harshest winter conditions. The pair comes equipped with forged aluminum alloy crampons, providing an unbeatable grip on any terrain. These snowshoes also boast DuPont pivot technology that allows you to turn on a dime in deep snow, while the fast pull binding makes it easy to secure them to your feet. And, since the package includes a pair of trekking poles and a nylon carrying bag as well, you'll have everything you need for your winter adventures. At number 3, we have the GO2GETHER Snowshoes. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, the GO2GETHER Snowshoes provide unbeatable support and stability. Meanwhile, the high-quality PE, polyethylene, decking creates maximum flotation, allowing you to trek through the snow with ease. These shoes also feature an upgraded double ratcheting binding and a one-buckle tightening mechanism that makes getting snug and secure simple. With your purchase, you'll get adjustable trekking poles that help you move quickly through deep snow without sacrificing stability, leg gaiters to keep snow and ice off your legs, and a carrying bag for maximum convenience. What really stands out to me, though, is that it also comes equipped with a flexible pivot bar that adds to its maneuverability, meaning I can have maximum freedom to explore the winter wilderness. At number 2, we have the GO2GETHER Snowshoes. If you want to get out and explore the wilderness in style, the GO2GETHER Snowshoes are just what you need. Designed with a sturdy aluminum frame, these snowshoes provide the strength and durability required for any adventure. The HDPE, high-density polyethylene, deck is built to handle even the toughest terrains, while the fast ratchet binding system allows for a quick and secure fit. They also come with a flexible pivot bar that allows for natural movement, ensuring a comfortable and efficient stride. Unlike some of its competitors, this pair of snowshoes is outfitted with EVA, ethylene vinyl acetate, foam padding that provides comfort and warmth while protecting your feet from painful blisters. Even better, the sharp aluminum crampon provides exceptional grip on even the slipperiest of icy slopes. And, since this pair of snowshoes is available in 4 different sizes, you'll surely find the perfect fit for your feet. And finally at number 1, we have the ODOLAND 4-in-1 Snowshoes. Looking for a way to navigate snowy terrain in a fun yet effective way? Look no further than the ODOLAND 4-in-1 Snowshoes. Featuring a 6061 aluminum frame, these snowshoes offer maximum flotation and good buoyancy, helping you steer through the snow without losing control or balance. And, despite their lightweight frame, this pair features a tough polyurethane decking that's sure to last. Boasting a secured heel strap, These snowshoes come with a ratchet system that makes it easy to adjust their fit before hitting the trail. Aside from that, the advanced U-shaped cleats and toe crampons enhance grip and keep you stable as you traverse the snow. These snowshoes come with everything you need for your trekking adventure, including ski poles, leg gaiters, to keep snow out of your boots, and an Oxford bag, so they're always ready when you need them.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.